Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to Earn Cryptos. In this video today, I'm gonna be showing you how to use future derivatives trade signals on your Bybit app. You know, recently Bybit updated their version of trading, so in this video I'm gonna be explaining step by step on how to do that. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you're new to this YouTube channel, do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification bell. Alright, and for trade signals, you can click the link on the description to join our Telegram channel. So right here is our Bybit app. All you need to do is click on this trade right here. You click on this trade icon. Now once you click on this trade icon, this is what you are going to be seeing. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been sent. So right here is our Telegram channel, and as you can see, this is the signal that has been sent right here. You can see the crypto pair, which is either USDT, and you can see direction, which is long, which means buy. You can see the limit order, stop loss, and take profit. So right now let's go to our Bybit app to search for our crypto pair. On our Bybit app right here, if you want to search for any crypto pair, this is where you tap right here. Let's tap on it. So we are going to type in either USD. Right here you can see this is it. So we click on it. So right now we're going to go back to our Telegram channel to type in our entry, stop loss, and take profit prices. Right here on our Telegram channel, you can see our entry price, our stop loss price, and our take profit price. Now you can see our entry price is 0.3901, our stop loss price is 0.3802, and our take profit price is 0.4083. So right now let's go back to our Bybit app to type in our entry, stop loss, and take profits. Alright, so on our Bybit app right here, there are a few things you need to change. Alright, so right here where you're seeing this isolated, you just click on it. Now if it's on cross before, you change it to isolated. If it's on cross, you change it to isolated, because isolated is the recommended margin for new beginners traders. Alright, so right here where you're also seeing 10x, now for new beginners traders, we always recommend you use 1 to 5x. Alright, so you won't be risking too much or losing too much. Remember, the higher the leverage, the higher your profits, and also the higher your losses. So we always recommend you go for lower leverages for you to stay long in the market. Alright, so after that, this is where you're going to be typing your price, right? So let's type in our price. So right now let's type in our price. Our price entry is 0.3901. so right now we're going to be risking $200 on this pair. So right now there are two ways to set your take profit, right? There are two ways to set your take profit. Once you tap here, you can see your take profit and your stop losses. Now the other way is to tap on this long icon. Now once you tap on this long icon, you click on confirm. You click on confirm right here. Now since you've clicked on confirm, you click on this modify icon right here. Now you come to this TP and SL. You come right here. Now you're going to type in your stop loss, and our stop loss is 0.3802. Alright, so when you scroll up, you can see the amount of dollar you're going to be losing if this price should go against you, and you can see the percentage here, which is 25%. now let's put in our take profit. Our take profit price is 0.4083. you can see the amount of dollar you're going to be getting is if this price should go to your direction, and you can also see the percentage right here. Now after you've confirmed everything, you can then click on this confirm icon right here. You click on confirm. Now you've successfully placed a limit order on your Bybit app. using future trade signals. Right here we'll be waiting till price gets to this order we place right here, then it will trigger to our direction. Alright, this is how to use future derivatives on your Bybit app. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on post notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we post an important video like this. And for trade signals, you can click the link on the description or click the link on our bio to join our Telegram channel where we share our trade signals every single day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.